Welcome to Bridgestone Commercial Tire Care and Service Tips. To get the most out of your commercial truck tires, follow these 4 important care and service tips. Do not exceed your tire's maximum recommended speed, which may be lower than the posted speed limits. Select the right tire for the job, considering the proper tire size, load carrying capacity, speed capability, and service type. Set and maintain proper cold inflation pressures. Inspect your tires frequently for damage, such as cuts, cracks, bulges, and penetrations. Tip 1. Do not exceed your tire's maximum recommended speed, which may be lower than posted speed limits. All Bridgestone commercial truck tires have a maximum recommended speed limit. In recent years, some states have increased their posted speed limits to levels that exceed the tire's speed capability. The maximum recommended speed for commercial truck tires is available in the Bridgestone Tire Data Book and can be found in the respective technical data table for each tire. For some tires, the information can be found on the sidewall. Tip 2. Select the right tire for the job, considering the proper tire size, load carrying capacity, speed capability, and service type. With changes in regulatory requirements and cabin equipment levels, Bridgestone is observing a trend of increased gross axle weight ratings, GAWR, for steer axles. The higher axle ratings may require that tires with additional load capacity be selected. To select the right tire for the job, ensure the tires are of the correct tire size and load range to meet the gross axle weight rating. Choose a tire with the appropriate speed capability for the service conditions. Select the appropriate design to ensure that you get the most out of your tires. Although tire selection information can be found in the Tire Data Book, you may find it helpful to contact your Bridgestone tire representative for further assistance. Tip 3. Set and maintain proper cold inflation pressures. Setting and maintaining proper cold inflation pressures can be accomplished by, first, determining the load you have on each tire of your vehicle. From the load and inflation tables in the Bridgestone Tire Data Book, find the size of your tire. From the same table, move from left to right until you find the column for the load greater than or equal to the previously established load. Go to the top of that column to determine the cold inflation pressure required to carry the load. Remember to check inflation pressure regularly, as some pressure loss is normal over time. Changes in ambient temperatures will also affect the tire's inflation pressure. Tip 4. Inspect your tires frequently for damage such as cuts, cracks, bulges, and penetrations. Prior to operating the vehicle, inspect each tire, including the spare. Examine tires for cuts, bruises, cracks, bulges, penetrations, and sufficient remaining tread depth. If you find damage, have a Bridgestone dealer examine the tire. You must have the tire repaired as soon as possible. If an unusual vibration occurs while operating the vehicle, or if you notice a bump, bulge, or anomaly unusual for normal tire performance, have your tires and vehicle evaluated by a qualified service person. As a reminder to stay vigilant for tire care and service, do not exceed your tire's maximum recommended speed, which may be lower than posted speed limits. Select the right tire for the job, considering the proper tire size, load carrying capacity, speed capability, and service type. Set and maintain proper cold inflation pressures. Inspect your tires frequently for damage such as cuts, cracks, bulges, and penetrations. If you ever have any questions about tire safety, care, or service, call Bridgestone Technical Service in the United States at 1-800-847-3272 and in Canada at 1-800-267-1318.